In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get files in a folder using Power Automate Desktop. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for automating repetitive file management tasks. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you need to open the Power Automate Desktop application on your computer. Once that's up and running, we're ready to create our new desktop flow. You'll want to click on the New Flow button. When prompted, give your flow a meaningful name so you can easily identify what it's for later on. Something like List Files in Folder would work perfectly. Once you've named it, hit Create to open up a fresh workspace for your automation. Now that you've got your new flow, it's time to add the first action. We'll focus on retrieving files from a specific folder, which requires the Get Files in Folder action. You'll find this action listed in the Files category over on the left-hand Actions pane. Simply drag and drop it into your flow. All right. Moving forward, let's configure this action so it suits your needs. Begin by entering the full path of the folder from which you want to retrieve files. This could be a directory like CUsers, your username/documents, target folder. Make sure to replace your username with the actual username on your computer. Next, you'll need to set a file filter. This allows you to specify which files to retrieve using wildcards. For instance, typing. Text will capture all text files, while something like document? Doc will look for documents with just a single character variation between document and .doc. If there are subfolders within your main folder and you want to include files from those as well, go ahead and toggle the Include Subfolders option to On. By setting these parameters, this action will now output a list of files that match your criteria, neatly handing over a list of file paths to the next steps of your flow. Now that we've got our files, it's time to put them to use. The list of files you've just retrieved can be utilized in a variety of subsequent actions. As an example, let's add a simple display message action, which will allow us to have a visual output of those file paths. Set the message to display parameter to %files%. In this case, files is the variable where the list of file paths is stored. We're almost at the finish line. It's important not to lose any work, so hit Save to ensure your flow is stored. Once saved, you can immediately execute the flow by clicking Run. Upon execution, your flow will diligently retrieve the list of files as per your configuration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've automated the process of getting files from a specific folder using Power Automate Desktop. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.